What if I told you whether a European country right now offering work visas in just 15 days? No IELTS, no degree, and jobs in construction, hotels, and even factories, all open for the foreigners. Hello, friend, I'm Aqeel, and you are watching Opportunities with Aqeel, your trusted guide for the jobs, visas, and global career opportunities. In today's video, as of today, we will dive into the Croatia, a beautiful European Union country that's now actively hiring foreign workers due to the labor shortage. Whether you are from the Pakistan, India, Nepal, Bangladesh, Africa, or elsewhere, this could be your chance to legally work and settle into the Europe. Stay with me because I will show you how to apply for the Croatia work visa in 2025, whether find a job, what is the documents requirement, processing time, and tips for the success, and trusted websites and application channels. But before we get started, subscribe to the Opportunities with Aqeel, press the bell icon for the future update, and hit the like if you are serious about working abroad in the Europe. So let's go. Croatia is calling you. So Croatia is a beautiful and developing country in the central and southeast Europe. It shares borders with the Slovenia, Hungary, Serbia, Bosnia-Herzegovina, and the Adriatic Sea. Croatia becomes an independent country in 1991 after the breaking away from the Yugoslavia. In 2013, it becomes a member of European Union, making it a part of the Schengen area as well. With its stunning coastline, historic towns like the Dubrovnik and Split, and increasing the foreign labor needs, Croatia is becoming the hot spot for the international job seekers. So why work in the Croatia? This is raising demand for the foreign workers in the Croatia in the field of the construction and the factory work, hotels and restaurants, agriculture and farming, transport, truck drivers, nurses and caregivers, cleaners and warehouse staff. If you are skilled, semi-skilled, or even a fresh looking for the jobs in the Europe, opening opportunities, Croatia can be the great gateway into the Europe. So there are the two types of the visas. One is the short-term work visa, known as the C visa, for jobs or assignments up to the 90 days within 180 days of the period, suitable for the business visits, short contracts, or temporary works. And the second one is the long-term work visa, known as the D visa, temporary residence permit, for works exceeding 90 days, suitable for the permanent employment, business owners, or the research professionals. So there are some eligibility requirements for this. To apply for this Croatia work visa, you must have a job offer from the Croatian company, a valid passport, their photographs, the proof of accommodation, travel health insurance, and sufficient funds. One more thing is the paid visa fee. Some documents, generally valid passport, passport size photos, job offer, travel health insurance, proof of accommodation, bank statements, return air tickets, and visa application filled and signed, proof of visa fees payment. So approximately it will take 15 working days, but in some cases it may take up to the 30 to 60 days also. So how you will apply for this? Just visit the Croatian Embassy website or VFS Global Center in your country. Download the visa application form, fill it carefully, and prepare the document checklist. Book your appointment via the email or online. Submit your application in person. Wait for the decision and collect your passports. Here are few websites: Croatian Ministry of Foreign Affairs, VFS Global. And one more thing I will like to tell you: work permit validity and renewals. Croatian's work permits are usually valid for the 12 months. They can be renewed 60 days before expiry. Failure to renew means the applicant must exit the country. Now, one thing, where to find jobs in the Croatia? There are the official portals, there's the LinkedIn.com, Indeed, and one is the official Croatian job portal known as the barzarda.hzz.hr. And for EURES, Europa.eu for the EU mobility portals. Here are a few tips for that. Prepare your CV and cover letter in the EU format. We already made the video on it. Apply directly to the Croatian companies and keep following the professionally. If I ask for the languages, official language is Croatian. Widely spoken in the tourism and jobs is the English. Lifestyle is peaceful, affordable compared to the Western Europe. full of the natural beauty, famous cities, and so much. So one more thing, okay, popular jobs for foreigners is a waiter, cleaner, housekeepers, drivers and logistic staff, constructions, weldings, farm workers, hotels and receptionists, nurses and elderly care workers. So as a final tip, do through the research on the company offering the jobs, never pay agent without the verification, apply early and track your application, learn a few basic Croatian phrases, it will help you. So friends, Croatia is no longer just a tourist destination, it's now the gateway to the Europe for the job seekers like you. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to the Opportunities with Aqeel, like this video, share it with your friends and family who are looking for the work abroad.